Let's see. We'll start a small bet and see. Hey, Gambler After Dark, how are you? Thanks for coming in, appreciate it. We can use some luck from you because it's pretty crappy so far tonight. We can always use some luck, there's no doubt about that. The bells are broken on this one, so there's no racket. But it is hitting just a little bit for the start. Better than nothing. We need some red screens though. Give us a little bit of money back here and there. Nothing major just yet. Boy, the red screens are hiding tonight. I tell you what, I'm just picking the wrong machines. Land of Oz, that's right. We need some big wins. No doubt, no doubt.
One big.
I'm trying, you do. One of my fans that's in here tonight. They just won some money on Buffalo Chief, they said, which is pretty awesome to hear. I'm glad to hear anybody winning money. 44 people in and 27 thumbs up. We appreciate you give us those thumbs up. It helps other people find our videos. Come on, money bags. Getting a few small hits, but not a lot more than that just yet. But it is keeping us alive. It is timing, 100% timing. Sitting down the right machine at the right time. That is exactly what it is. And when you sit at the right machine at the right time, you are in good luck. That is exactly how it works. There's a red screen finally. Finally. Got us a little bit of money back. We're only betting 5, so it ain't gonna pay us a ton, but hopefully we can build that bankroll up a little bit and raise our bet up. We'll see. This is a 625 max bet machine, so if you bet max right out of the gate, you ain't got many shots to win any money. So I usually start low on these and work my way up. Hopefully work my way up anyhow, that's our plan. Of course, you know how it is, the best plans don't always go as planned. But we certainly are trying.
Bingo, man. They do have some good coffee.
Come on now, money
I
bags.
don't think it's that bad. That's what
Not doing a whole heck of a lot just yet. Yep, got to build it up. Then you can bring that bet up higher. But Moneybags is not building a bankroll at the moment. Come on, Moneybags. That's a decent card. There's a red screen. It was a decent card. I thought it might go be decent. Come on, give us a little more than last time. It is so far. Keep on rolling. Come on. There we go. There we go. It's still a going. Not too bad so far. Not for a $1.25 bet. It ain't. It's still a rolling. Heck yes. Would have been nice if this was max bet, wouldn't it? Holy cow, can you believe that? On a 5 bet even. Wowzer. Holy cow. That is just crazy, is it not? Jeepers golly. Well, T-Town, we did not get the 3-face. However, we won 706 quarters. We got some inside quarters. Yeah, me either, Barry. That's a new one on me, 100%. Here's what we got. Got some outside corners. Hey, homeschool time. We always smoke if we got them. Got a big diamond. Holy cow. That's just crazy. Got a cross in there. I'm going to count those red screens, but it may be the most red screens I have ever hit on a machine, very possibly. Very, very possibly. So we were down to almost nothing and took us up to $177. And Naked wanted to come in and see. That was so good that the porn bots came in. Now that's when you're hitting a good hit. Did I get rid of the porn bots? All right. So I think we should jack the bet up a little bit. What do you guys think? I think we'll bring up to about a 15, and we'll play this thing a little bit, and maybe we'll get some more of them red screens like that, huh? That would be pretty stinking awesome, let me tell you what. In fact, you know what? Let's do a few max bets. Why not? We build it up. We'll do a few max bets. If it don't do anything, we'll bump it back down. We'll see if we can generate something now, because that was just crazy on a 5-bet. I'm not sure I've ever seen anything like that. Look at there. There's another red screen for us.
I've never hit a jackpot. And I've been
There we go. Come on now. There we go. That's getting us up a little bit. This may be the right machine, maybe, huh? It may be the right machine. We will see. We're at the 6 1/4 bet now. Max bet. If we line up 3 faces, it's $1,250. Hey, if you guys, T-Town, somebody, share the Gambler After Dark's link. If you guys like some good scratch-offs, Gambler After Dark will hook you up. Share your link out in any other channels in here, please, if you guys would. All right, well, we're still going a little bit. That's a good card there, but it didn't hit. Come on now, money bags. Don't let us down now. We may have to drop our bet here. We'll see what happens. Gambler After Dark, you're very welcome. I appreciate you coming in. I love watching your channel whenever I get a chance. I'm so daggone busy, I don't always get a chance to. We're going to go to 15 for a little bit. Maybe the max bet is not where it's at. Got to move these things around a little bit and try to figure out where it likes to be at. I couldn't believe that on a 5-bet. That was just crazy. That may be the most red screens I've ever hit, and much less on a 5-bet. Let's go back to the 5-bet for a few. Why not? That was pretty much insane. I'm about to watch this video and see just how many red screens that was, because I lost count. It just kept going and going and going. That was just crazy. Well, we're gonna get $100 out of our $20 bill at least anyhow, so that's a major good thing. I thought we'd get a couple 3 red screens out of it. I didn't think we were gonna get much more than that, to be honest with you. Maybe it's off to the races again. We'll see. Maybe. Look at that. Took us back up on the 5-bet on an open V. A step ladder. And a small diamond. Took us back up to 185. Can you believe that? The 5-bet may be on this machine, and that's kind of unusual. Normally, you got to bet a little bit more to win anything decent on these, but we'll do a 10-bet for a few and see. We've not won a hot seat yet. $160 hot seats tonight at Highwindscasino because it is their 16th birthday. There's a red screen on a 10-bet. If we could replicate those red screens we got now on the 10 that we had in the 5, I'd be good with that. Not doing too bad so far. Wasn't bad. Let's do a few max bets. See if we can get some red screens on the max. Yeah, we got 50 quarters back. We'll do a few max bets and we'll drop it back down if it don't hit anything for us. There's another 50 back. Come on now, money bags. Let's get some red screens rolling on a max bet. That's where we get the money going. Yeah, it's hitting a little bit. Ain't killing us just yet. 45 people in the room, 31 thumbs up. We appreciate those thumbs up. Helps other people find our videos and enjoy the red screens you folks are getting to enjoy. All right, we're going to bump this down if it don't hit, and it did not. Let's go back to the 10 bet for a few. See if it pays on that. Let's do a couple of 15 bets. There we go. Got a postage stamp on that one. Corners and postage stamp on that's what that one paid us. That wasn't too bad at all, was it? Guys back up there got our money still going for us. 120 quarters. We'll take that all day long. Cards look pretty good on the 15 bet, so we'll go with it for a few and see if it wants to pay us any more money out. There's a red screen on the 15 bet. Come on, money bags, keep it rolling. Yeah, that was a short-lived one, only 39. Hey, Gamblers Unknown. Actually, it's going pretty good. We were betting $1.25 on this machine. We were almost broke, and it probably spun the most red screens I've ever seen in my life. I'm going to go back after this video and check it out. It was pretty incredible. We were down to almost nothing. It took us up to like $180 on $1.25 bet. Before that, it was pretty dismal. We're at a 15 bet now. We're doing some 6 1/4 max bets, and it was hit and miss. This one's not doing too bad. There we go, 93 quarters. Keeps us going. There we go, 78 quarters on that one. Let's bump a few max bets again. Move that bet around. Well, it was at least 20, I think. I really do. I lost count because I was expecting it to stop at any minute, and it did not. So I'm definitely going to go back and count and see exactly how many it was, because it was a bunch. There's no doubt about that. Now, if we can get some red screens going on this 6 1/4 bet, that's when you get some good payouts going. It's not doing too bad so far, so we'll leave it at the 6 1/4 for right now. That's a good card right there. Thought it might hit something, but it did not. Come on now, money bags. Boy, if that was max bet on that string of red screens, we'd be in the money, wouldn't we? We would definitely be in the money on it. There's no doubt about that. That's right, Steak Ghost. Way more than red screens, especially at a max bet. Come on, let's go red money bags. Come on, come on, come on. Hey, Gamblers Unknown Short Stack was just wondering where you're at, because she knows how much you love bells. She asked a little bit earlier, so there we go. No red screen, but we'll take the payout like that. We will take it all day long. Still waiting for my first live jackpot. Would be so awesome if we could get that tonight. Those private stripes on that one. The 6 1/4 bet is working so far. Don't know how long it's going to work, but it is so far. We will play it until it proves us wrong. Come on, money bags. Don't be teasing us like that. Come on now. Starting to let us down a little bit. Oh, there we go. Hopscotch on that one, and a small diamond. Hopscotch and a small diamond for 250 quarters. Hey, Larry, is anybody else blurry? Larry Kendall, you may need to refresh it or take your resolution down if it's blurry. Usually, Highwinds actually has our own Wi-Fi here for streamers. So usually it's pretty good. If anybody else is blurry, let me know. but generally it's pretty good here at High Winds. I've had very few. Yeah, so you need to either refresh or you can change your resolution on your on it. Thank you much, Bridget. Appreciate it very much. Come on, money bags. Is it blurry, really? Come on, don't tell me that. That'd be the first time I've ever had a blurry live stream. Especially when we're winning, we don't want it to be blurry. I'll tell you that right now. No, 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 no. No blurries. Is it clearing up any Gamblers Unknown, or is it still blurry? Anybody who else sees blurry, let me know. Okay,
We'd like to congratulate our latest jackpot winner from Missouri, winning $3,200 on Mr. Moneybag. Congratulations to the lucky winner.
the Wi-Fi is good here. It should not be blurry. Is it still blurry, everybody? Usually it's pretty good here. Hang on, we'll see if it clears up any or not. I very rarely, Larry, still blurry, or has it cleared up yet? I'm not sure what yes means exactly. A little hit for us. Well, I can check. I don't think it's the camera. Let me double check. Hang on. Let's see if it's a camera or not. Wipe the lens off. Is that any better, guys? Give it a minute, see if it's any better. Is that better? Okay, some say yes, some say blurry. So it may not be me. I'm not sure what's going on. Well, I don't think that'll help, Barry. Hang on, now I've got zoomed in. It could be where I'm sitting at. Is that any better? Hopefully it is. All right, give me a minute. We'll try to move. It could be because I don't usually play this machine. Bear with me just a minute. We'll move around here. And once you know the machine's wanting to hit when I want to move. Is it better there? Maybe it's the glare. Is that better? Well, I don't want you guys to be blurry. I want you guys to enjoy. If you guys aren't enjoying the live stream, then it's not worth it. You know what I'm saying? Not better. Okay. It could be the glare. Let me offset a little bit. Hang on. Is that any better? Because that's offset there a little bit. Well, Stay Ghost says and see fine. I moved it to an angle a little bit. See if maybe that helps any or not. Thanks, Lynette. I appreciate that very much. I really do. Yeah, Land of Oz, you're probably right. There's a red screen for us finally. I'm going to do a super play-by-play, I guess, right? A little more. So, Joni, can you still see okay or not? Or is it blurry? So you think it's YouTube Gamblers Unknown and not me, maybe? So what's everybody watching on? Let me ask this. People who are clear, are you on your phone? Thanks, Barb. I appreciate it. Thanks, Sean. I appreciate that. I hope to keep winning. I'm trying to keep winning anyhow. Let's go back to a max bet for a few. So we can get some red screen going. There we go. Heard a little bit of a win on a max bet. There's a nice hit. Okay, let's come around. By the way, that was a 170 quarter hit on corners. So people on phones, are your phones clear and computer blurry? Is that what it is? Gamblers Unknown thinks it might be a YouTube issue. We're not sure just yet. Better now. Okay, well, I hope it stays better. I don't want you guys not to enjoy the slots. I mean, if I was losing, it would be different, right? Phone is clear. It may be a YouTube issue, guys. Maybe nothing we can do about it. Look at that. That would have been certainly nice, wouldn't it? Yeah, it's very possible. There's a 150 quarter hit. By the way, if some of you came over from YouTube and have not subscribed to our channel, we would appreciate it very much. I did a little live in my Red Screen channel group on YouTube before coming over here. We appreciate the thumbs up also. We've got 57 people in the room and 34 thumbs up. I'm glad to hear you're still enjoying it. I'm glad. It's real clear for me. Of course, I'm sitting right here, right? There we go. Look at there. We got an open V on that one. And eyes. And we got one more. We got 3 patterns on that hit, I believe. And a step ladder. Heck yes. We'll take that. 260 quarters on that hit on the max bet. Let's line up 3 money bags on this thing. We're due. I have never hit a jackpot live yet, and I want to. I don't really care about jackpots usually because I would like to have tax-free money, but it'd be way cool to do a jackpot live, that's for sure. Another 130 quarters. Well, at least it's paying out still. But Lynette, I don't think I'm on fire just yet. So phone is clear and TV and computer is fuzzy. So it must be an issue with YouTube, guys. I'm sorry about that. We've not gotten any red screens much on the max bet, unfortunately, yet. But we are trying. We've not won a $160 hot seat yet either. We're trying to do that. Because it's the 16th anniversary. Hazard Gamblers Unknown, well, thank you for that info. Gamblers Unknown, guys, has got a great channel and has a wealth of information. I'll tell you what, he has helped my channel immensely. So is T-Town Gambler. It's finally a red screen for us if it'll do anything. Wasn't huge, 115 quarters, but could have been worse. Could have been worse. T-Town Gambler's got a great channel. He's got a great podcast going on YouTube. You guys should check that out. Love supporting other slot channels because they've all supported me in my growth. But 59 people, 34 thumbs up. If you guys don't mind, give us a thumbs up. If you don't know how to, you can hit the X on the chat. It'll take you back to the main screen. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the live chat again. It'll bring you right back in here, and you won't miss a thing, just a little bit of chat. If you've not subscribed to the channel, we would appreciate it if you subscribe. There's a 170 quarter hit. We need to get a big series of red screens like we got earlier. That we were on a 5 bet and we hit those. Well, if that would have been on a 6 1/4 bet, we would be in hog of heaven. There's another red screen finally. Come on, keep it rolling. There we go. Keep on going. There we go. Another 140. We'll take that. All day long. This machine's being fairly nice to us so far. And remember, oh, look at there. Look at there. Holy cow. That's a good one. We hit a kite on that one. Kite was the pattern on that one. Holy cow. That was a pretty nice hit there, wasn't it? Heck yes, it was. You don't hit sevens very often on these. We're up to $415 at that 600 quarter hit. Holy cow. We're close to 400, but we're going to play this for a little bit. Well, that's awesome, Rose. We're glad to hear that. Glad to hear that. We're going to play this thing a little bit more because we've only got 20 bucks in it, and we were down to like our last spin when it hit a series of red screens and took us to what, $170 or $80 on a $1.25 bet, which was just unbelievably good. I've never seen that many red screens in my life. All right, somebody take care of the porn bot for me, would they? Since I got some more mods in here. Nah, homeschool, we got played just a little bit. Thank you very much, T-Town Gambler. Appreciate taking care of that. Those porn bots have been terrible, too. Thank you very much, Rose. Appreciate that. We won't go below 300. We're going to play it a little bit and see if it's got any more going for it. Because I have a feeling it may have. Thanks, Gamblers Unknown. My mods are the best in the entire world. Thanks for helping out, guys. It alleviates me from having to stop and take care of that business. Appreciate it very much. Come on now, how high can we get this thing? Isn't that funny? They're getting really clever with those things. That they absolutely are getting clever. There's no doubt. All right, let's go to 20 bet for a few. See what that does. Come on now. We may have got all the money it's willing to give us. We don't know yet. But we certainly are trying. Well, it's still cheap and fast. I guess cheap and fast is good, right? Apparently. Apparently cheap and fast is the thing, I guess. It's a whole new marketing thing. Come on now. We ain't going below 300. We got 20 bucks in this thing, and $300 is a pretty good profit in my book. Let's see what happens. By the way, after last week's stream, I hit a polar high roller for $960, by the way. All right. So let's, yes, we can do a 5 bet, right? There we go. All right, kids, we're cashing out for 300 bucks. After it almost broke us.